Cool.
Hey guys and girls, welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video, we're talking pizzas. I know, pizzas, good for the tum-tum. Now we're talking about the Drifta Stockton Pizza Oven. Got it for a special day, a couple of weeks back, which was fantastic. Now, I haven't used it yet, so I'm cooking the pizzas at home before I go camping because I don't want to get my pizzas wrong when I go out camping because my mates won't let me live it down. So let's check out and see what I got in the Drifta Stockton bag. Let's go. All right, let's open it up and have a look at it, eh? Now, it came from Drifta Stockton, as I said before. They make their own bags. They seem to be a really good quality zip. It's a vinyl bag. Yeah, it's vinyl. It's not canvas. So that's pretty good. Now, we'll just pop the oven out and have a good look at it. Now, a few little things that I've noticed up front. We've got a little temperature gauge up the top here. You might be able to see that there. And it's already saying it's at 50 degrees inside the pizza oven, so it'd be pretty easy to cook a pizza in there. It's blue. It's got these little holder things here. I wouldn't be picking this up if it was hot, obviously straight off the oven. I reckon a good idea if they had little handles rather than these little indentations here. We'll see how it goes, see how we can live with it. It comes with a pizza stain, which is in here, which is in a boot liner bag made by Drifta themselves. So that's the bag there. We'll just whip out the pizza stain. Brand new, it hasn't been used, so that's going to be pretty cool. The only thing I'm a little bit concerned about is the longevity of the pizza stain when we're in our travels. So we'll see how it goes. You know, give it a couple of years, see if it goes the distance. All right, it's going to live in the camper anyway. The pizza stain just sits in there. So let's just pop that pizza stain in. We'll slide it straight in, gentle. It sits in there quite nice. It's got two little tabs here which hold it in place, like that. So yeah, pretty cool. Powder coated black, so not bad. All right, we're gonna fire up some coals and knock out some pizzas and see how we go. This little puppy. Now I've got a fire pit. I've got the King's Premium fire pit, and I know it fits on because I tried it before. So this will fit on the King's fire pit, the Drifta Stockton fire pit, obviously, the 23-0 fire pit, and the Darchi fire pit. So this will sit comfortably on top of all those fire pits. So you don't have to. So if you've already got one of those fire pits and you want to get yourself a reasonable good pizza oven, it'll sit on top. So let's heat up some coals, knock up some pizzas. Put this on now. I'm going to go to the second run on the fire pit. Second little bit of hickey there. Second on there. Oh, it's throwing out some heat. Alright, put that pizza oven on there, There we go. Be interested to see how long it takes to heat up. Okay, that took 20 minutes to get up to 200, so we're just going to let it sit here for a little while, and then we'll put our first pizza in. Bacon. Everything tastes better with bacon, doesn't it? Some hot salami. Oh, capsicum. Or some people call them peppers. Doing a good job. Some mushrooms. Pineapple on pizza.
Yep.
Pizza topper. That fancy pizza topper. Olives. Cool. Pop it in the oven. See how it goes. How's the bum? Oh, how's the bottom?
Crunchy.
Beautiful. All right, let's get stuck in. I'll show you a little secret that we have here at home. Cooking the kids' pizzas first. Because kids are always hungry. Where's my food? Where's my food? I'll show you what we do at home here to feed our kids, or our visitors' kids, quicker with a pizza. So I'll take you over to the boss and she'll show you what we do. All right, so this is what we do. We get a tortilla wrap, and we got these little pizza bases that pizza tray thingies that we got. Bit of sauce on the top. The advantage of the little pizza bases is they're just enough for a small kid to eat in a hurry, or a big kid to eat even quicker. And obviously you get the toppings that the kids like: pineapple, ham, bacon, capsicum, onion, mushrooms. Well, that's what our kids ate anyway. They ate absolutely everything. Then we just top it off like that. And then we stick a bit of meat on there. Usually the kids' favourite, of course, bacon. Bacon goes good with everything. So a bit of bacon. And then a bit of, our kids like spicy food. So they had hot salami. They weren't really into the olives until they got older, so we don't really, you know, this is for your kids, not my kids, so whatever you put on the little pizzas, it's up to you. Bit of cheese, and that's it. So just tortilla wraps. They're quick, they're easy. This will be done in literally 5 minutes, and it's done. And that's in your normal oven at home, as long as you've got up the temperature, and it's done. And that's how we fed our kids in a hurry. All right, let's pop this in the pizza oven and give it a shot. Kids happy. How's the base? Crunchy. Yum yum. Okay, that was pizza night here at Ed's 4 Driving Camping. First time using the Drifta Stockton fire pit. How did we find it? It was actually quite good. Steep learning curve though, but we're learning. We used pizza trays instead of the stone, which took a little bit longer to cook because we used homemade pizza bases, so they weren't firm like the ones you buy in the shop. It took about, what, 20 minutes to get to temperature from putting the charcoal in, so getting up to 200. It's nice and out, it's cooling down a bit now, so we've finished our pizza night. Also, when we put the pizza oven on top of the King's fire pit, we took it right down nice and low to the coals. So next time, I think we'll double up on the coals to get that heat going a bit more. So we only used one chiminea of coals, which got us through the night, but I'd say if you're cooking for a few, you want at least a good pile of coals going. Awesome little bits of fire with the chuck on there to get the heat going in there and a bit of smoke. But all in all, fantastic. Good investment, you betcha. I'll let you know how it goes on the Australia Day long weekend, where I'll be cooking about 20 or 30 pizzas through this thing. So we'll see how it goes then. All right, guys, don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. And don't forget, little pizzas for the kids. They're quick and easy. All right, we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Having a debate, can you do nachos in it? So we'll give it a go. Guess what? You can! Double trouble!